Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Einstein bots in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to go to Setup. So from here, we click on Setup and then we will need just to search for Einstein. So here, we need just to search for the Einstein bots and we would find them in the section of Einstein platform. We click on the bots and basically you will need to make sure that they are enabled. So I already have it enabled, and after you have it on, you will need just to go down, and from there you can start creating a new bot. So from here you can find the blocks, the templates that you have. You can start creating your new templates if you want, and you can create a new bot. So I'm just going to click on create a new bot, and from there we can either create a standard one or an enhanced one. So here I'm just going to click next, and we can use a template for simple reasons or for simple functionalities. We click on next, and from here you can see the bot name. So you give it just a name. I'm just going to name it my bot. So as you can see, and this is the language. So it can be in Chinese, English, and after that we will need just to click on next, and you use the items that you want to be in the menu. So from here, you will need just to click next again, and you can add an embedded service if you already have one. You click on next. So from here, we need just to proceed in creating the bot. So here we are just going to wait for the bot to be created, and if there is no error, your bot will be successfully created. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.